Today we're making quick, easy and delicious Jamaican Toto. Hi guys, how are you all doing today? I hope you all are doing well. I'm doing well. Thanks for joining me today. Today we are making Toto, Jamaican Toto. So let's begin. In my dish here, I have about approximately 3 cups of flour that has been sifted, ready for me. To that now, I'm adding 3 cups of sugar. In my dish here, I have brain fart. Sorry about that, guys. I have 2 teaspoons of baking powder. I have a teaspoon of fresh grated nutmeg and a teaspoon of salt. So I'm just going to dunk these down here with the sugar and flour. Grabbing my spoon, and then we're going to mix this in thoroughly. I want to get it fully incorporated. And so that's it, fully incorporated. So I'm going to move this aside for a minute. And in this dish here now, I have approximately 3 cups of grated coconut. And I have a piece of ginger here that I'm now going to grate. So I'm using the same grater that I used to grate the coconut. I love ginger in my Toto. Man, so that's it for the ginger. Quick wash your hands. And I'm going to switch back the bowls. And then I'm going to put the coconut with the flour mixture there. And then just mix that in. Get it fully incorporated as well. Making this Toto here now reminds me of when my mother used to make Toto. My husband used to love it. But being that she's no longer around, I say, it's time for me to take over and start making it. So what I have in here now, I have something that is optional, which is 2 cups of coconut milk. You can use water instead because I've made it both ways. But this coconut milk here now adds a richness and some depth to the Toto, in my opinion. So that now I'm going to, mix it in with the flour coconut mixture. The ingredient list will be down in the description box, guys. Please remember to check down there. So I'm now adding approximately a cup of water. So it's in total 3 cups of liquid to the mixer that I already had. Alright, so I'm going to mix this in thoroughly. Some people prefer thicker batter. For me, to get it moist, a thinner batter works for me. So do it however way you prefer, but I prefer thinner batter. Alright, this now I'm adding about 2 teaspoons of vanilla. And guys, you wouldn't believe that these simple ingredients would make something so delicious. Really good. And it's totally vegan friendly as well. Alright, so because the sugar that we're getting now is light, we're not getting dark brown sugar here in Jamaica anymore. I'm just adding some molasses here just for some color, not for taste, just to give it some color, because I don't like when it's too white. Alright, so I'm just going to mix it in. And as you can see there now, the color is coming in. So that's it. Just going to give it a quick taste here. Yeah man, and I can tell this is going to be really good because it tastes good already and it's not even baked as yet. I'm going to set this aside and get a baking dish. Alright, so this is what I'll be baking it in. I prefer to bake my toto in something square, just for presentational purposes, so I get to cut them in squares and so forth. And I don't have a square baking pan. Alright, so this now, I'm adding some coconut oil to it. And mind you guys, the spot you see in there is on the stove, not in the dish, as you'll see when I start. You know, I'm going to use my fingers to rub in the oil, get it up on the sides there and so forth. So grease it real good. So I'm now ready to pour the butter in the baking dish here. And I'm just seeing a little piece of coconut get away in there. You know, so that it's going to taste good when it finishes. So give it a little shake there. And as you can see, the coconut oil coming around the side, so you know that it's going to be crisp. So I have my oven preheating at 150 degrees. I know people are always talking about 350 degrees, which works out to 170 on my stove. Not every stove burns the same way. My stove is very high, so that heat is just enough for me. So I'm going to place this in the oven for about an hour, or until that inserted knife comes out clean. Here you have it guys, my Jamaican toto. Look at that, really moist, crispy around the edges, which is my favorite part. I really do hope you enjoyed this video guys. Please remember to like, comment and subscribe. See you in my next video.